Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add outline to text on Canva. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select text. Then from there you can select the text style that you would like to use. So let's say for example this text style, and then you can simply type your text like you would normally do. Now to add the outline, you're going to tap on Effects from the top menu option, select Effects. Then you're going to see the option Outline. You're going to tap on that. After doing that, you can change the color of the outline. So let's say for example, I want to change my color to blue. I'll tap on the color box, then tap on Add New. Then I'm going to simply tap on blue right there and select this shade of blue. Or better yet, I want to change it to red. So I'll tap on this shade of red. After doing that, you can also increase the thickness by simply pulling along the slider right here, as you can see there. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to outline text on Canva.